They found this in 2025 and hid it. Something in our universe keeps breaking the rules, and every time scientists try to explain it, the explanation collapses. Listen to this closely now, because once you hear these 5 discoveries, you'll start wondering if reality is glitching in ways we never prepared for. It starts with the odd signal from the Antarctic ice shelf, the one detected by the Anita balloon experiment in 2018. You can almost feel the frost biting the metal as the antennas scan the sky. A particle rose upward through the Earth, as if gravity forgot to exist. Some researchers whispered that it hinted at a new class of physics. Others said the data shouldn't exist at all. But the real twist? A follow-up analysis reappeared in late 2025, referencing a forgotten 1999 NSF memo buried in the archives, suggesting this wasn't the first anomaly. Listen closely now. Something slipped through, and that's only the first. Then there's the tardigrade paradox. In 2021, a University of Rochester team accidentally smashed a microscopic tardigrade into a quantum experiment. It survived. You can almost hear the equipment hum as the tiny organism clung to life. Quantum states aren't supposed to tolerate biology. Biology isn't supposed to tolerate quantum states, and yet the creature endured both. Researchers revisited this in 2025, still confused, still searching for a rulebook that no longer applies. One scientist, Dr. Lena Morris, documented the event in Lab Report 44Q. Her final note simply read, "We don't understand what we saw." Whisper drop line. Most people close the video here. Don't. Because the third anomaly burns hotter, the Greenland DNA problem. In 2022, scientists extracted environmental DNA from soil that should have been too degraded to exist. DNA older than 2 million years. Picture wind carving through frozen cliffs while fragments of life hide inside ancient grains of sediment. Time shouldn't preserve them. And yet, there they were, intact enough to identify entire ecosystems long extinct. Some theorists began asking whether Earth occasionally archives biological information, as if nature itself refuses to forget. But the fourth discovery feels stranger. The impossible planet light curve from Kepler archive file KIC 8462852R. You might know it as Tabby's star, but in 2024, an updated reanalysis used AI reconstruction models and found dips in starlight so deep, so precise they resembled engineered shadows. Just hearing that makes the air feel heavier. The official line rejected megastructure theories, but off-record conversations captured in a 2025 symposium transcript from Pasadena hinted at something more. A speaker murmured that the star's dimming matched no known natural pattern. Echoed sentence with subtle reverb. Not everything is random. Here's the irrational twist. What if these anomalies aren't separate? What if the universe occasionally reveals seams, tiny openings where old rules flicker and new ones leak through? And maybe we've been mistaking these seams for accidents. The fifth discovery seals the mood. The Tokyo Memory Lab reported in 2023 that certain neurons in the hippocampus can store overlapping memories in ways that violate expected capacity limits. Imagine standing in a quiet lab at midnight, fluorescent lights buzzing, researchers staring at blips of electrical activity that should have short-circuited the brain. Instead, they found something different, evidence of impossible compression. If true, humans may have a sensory system built for realities we've never entered. So here's the reflection beat. What if these 5 discoveries, upward particles, quantum organisms, ancient DNA echoes, engineered shadows, and impossible memories, aren't errors, but invitations? And if they are, what exactly are we being invited to see? That unresolved curiosity lingers. Maybe the rules aren't breaking. Maybe we're finally approaching the chapter they were written for. So ask yourself this. Which of these discoveries hides the real message? Binge the next video, then subscribe so you don't miss what comes after.